Hi everyone. Today we present a tutorial on how to assemble and adjust a state-of-the-art electronic cylinder with built-in keypad and emergency key. Here's what makes this product unique: adjustable length to fit sizes from 70 to 90 mm, compatible with all types of European cylinders, fingerprint reader for secure and fast access. Generation of access codes through our Guestkey.it platform, included 3 RFID cards for extra convenience. Mechanical emergency key to guarantee access in any situation. Remote opening with smartphone thanks to the Guestkey.it web app. Smarter experience, don't miss it. Find out how to install and adjust this fantastic electronic cylinder in just 30 seconds. By connecting the electronic cylinder to the ECOSMART app, you can create temporary codes to open the doors, manage occupied or vacant rooms, and cancel the codes when necessary. Below I will guide you step by step on our home automation system for managing the room control panel, focusing on creating temporary codes for opening doors, deleting them, and controlling which rooms are occupied or free. Follow me step by step. Let's start with the credentials request screen. For the demonstration, we enter Hotel Del Rose as the username and leave the password field blank. Now, here is the hotel room planner showing occupied and vacant rooms. Click on a room to see the overview of the room information. By entering the single room, we can open the door directly, generate temporary codes, or consult the history of the entries. In our case, we will create and then delete a code. Click on the key symbol. The code creation management opens. The codes can be first access, period, permanent, for the maid or the owner, or cyclic, for the gym, for example. We select period codes, we store the customer's name and the date of stay, the system generates the code, valid only for the pre-established period. We go back to the control panel and see that the room has changed from free to occupied. We can send the code automatically via email or WhatsApp, with a preset message containing useful information about the property or other relevant communications. After sending the message, we return to the control panel and reopen the chamber. We delete the created code. Returning to the control panel, we see that the room has changed from occupied to free again. Remember, with our home automation system, managing the rooms, creating and eliminating temporary codes for opening the doors is really as simple as a click. Good vision and good use of the system